Hello everyone. I welcome you all for educational science experiments. In this experiment, we will demonstrate the action of heat on hydrated copper sulfate. When salts are heated strongly, they undergo chemical change. If we heat hydrated salts, they lose their water of crystallization. In this experiment, I will demonstrate the action of heat on hydrated copper sulfate. I hope you are all ready to perform the experiment. Let us perform. The materials required for this experiment are test tube, spirit lamp, copper sulfate, iron stand, litmus papers red and blue. Take a iron stand, test tube, spirit lamp, hydrated copper sulfate, which is a blue crystalline salt. Blue and red litmus papers, lighter, water. Make the litmus papers moist. Add copper sulfate salt into the test tube. Now the salt is ready. Fix the test tube in the stand carefully. Now light the spirit lamp and place it under the test tube to heat the salt. Adjust the height of the test tube. Change the position of spirit lamp to heat the salt properly. Make sure the salt is heated properly. Observe the change in the color of the salt. See, the blue crystalline salt changed to white amorphous salt. Test the nature of the water vapor formed using litmus papers. Observe the formation of water vapor on the sides of test tube. Both the litmus paper do not show any color change, indicating that water vapor is neutral. Hydrated copper sulfate loses its water of crystallization and changes to anhydrous copper sulfate. Now keep it aside for a while to cool. Observe the colors change. Let us see what happens if we add water. Oh, again it changes to blue. That is, it becomes hydrated copper sulfate. Now, let us understand the chemical reaction taking place in this experiment. CuSO4 5H2O, that is hydrated copper sulfate, on heating forms CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, and H2O, that is water vapor. Copper sulfate is a blue crystalline salt due to the presence of water of crystallization 5H2O. On heating, the salt loses its water of crystallization. The salt changes to white amorphous copper sulfate. Water droplets are seen on the sides of the test tube. Now, in the second reaction, add water to anhydrous copper sulfate. CuSO4 plus 5H2O forms CuSO4 5H2O. On adding water, anhydrous copper sulfate again changes into hydrated copper sulfate. So, the color changes from white to blue. Now, it is time for quiz. The first question is, what is the observation when blue crystals of copper sulfate are heated? The time starts now. And the answer is, blue crystals of copper sulfate change to white amorphous. The second question is, what happens chemically when hydrated copper sulfate crystals are heated? The time starts now. The answer is, hydrated copper sulfate crystal lose their water of crystallization. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed performing experiments. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more educational videos.